No, Alice, it's yellow. Alice, what about this color?
Yellow.
It's a green. Let's learn the colors.
No.
Idea.
Blue color, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Blue! Wow! Blue fish!
Alice, let's go fishing.
Yay!
Alice, let's catch all blue fish.
Yeah! One.
Oh, it's red fish, Alice. Let's find blue.
Okay. Blue. Pink.
Small.
Green color, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Green. Green chime.
Green slime.
It's open. My picture. Wow!
It's fun.
Yes! Oh gosh! Yellow color, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Oh, yes! Yellow!
Look.
Wow, it's yellow! Just for you.
Thank you.
Yummy!
Mm.
Red color, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Yuck! Wow! It's fun!
Let's put all animals at home. Alice, let's feed them.
Yes! Pink color, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Pink!
Ooh. Wow, it's a bounce castle. Let's have a fun. Let's go.
Wow! Let's go!
Yay, high five.
Yellow, green, blue,
What is it called?
pink.
Well done. Let's play. Alice, do you want to go to the pool? We need to take some stuff for the pool. Let's go, come on. No, Alice, we need to wear a swimsuit for the pool.
Okay.
Yes, very nice swimsuit, Alice. The float for safe swimming.
Oh, yes.
Let's go. This is for you.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yes.
Ready. Alice, wait! We forget the towels. Good job, Alice. Oh, Alice, we need a sunscreen cover. Mm-hmm.
Good.
Thank you, Alice.
Hello.
It's Georgie. The pool is dirty.
Okay, no worry. I'll fix it.
It's so hot. Take a fan.
Now it's clean.
The water is too cold.
It's really cold. Let's check. Oh, it's perfect. Girls, come on.
Thanks. Oh no!
It's a snake. Run.
Where is it? Don't be scared, it's just a toy.
Ooh. Okay, let's go swim. Idea. Alice, come. Let's have some fun. Sink or float? Slinky toy sink.
I can dive and get it.
Thank you, Chris. Look, Alice. What about the dumbbell? It's sink or float?
Okay.
It's sink.
I have an idea.
Oh, wow! Dumbbell floats now. It's sink.
Bye. Let's check this car. Let's go.
Look, the car sink.
I pull it out.
Good job, Chris. And let me show something. Look, guys. Wow, look, it's float.
Oh, yes.
Let's do it. Float. Alice.
So many ducks.
It's float. Step aside. Watermelon sink or float?
sink.
Flood. 1, 2, 3. Woo!
Watermelon sink and then float.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah! It's float.
Right, and then sink. Look.
Yeah.
Water ball, sink or flood? Look, it's flood. Oh, we haven't played doll. Let's check it.
Okay. It's float. I'm right, it's float.
And now, if we throw the doll without jars,
Yeah. Oh, yes. Blue. It's green.
right, it's seen, guys. Wow, it's flood. Necklace. Let's check. Sink or flood?
Sink. It's already knuckles.
What about the eyes?
I think it's float.
I think it's sink. You're right, Chris. It's flood. Dinosaur is melting. And now he's sink.
Look at the dinosaur.
Okay, let's do it. Look, dinosaur without eyes. Flood. Let's open and try again. Sink.
Let's go.
Hey, it's flood.
Alice, let's try Lego. I think it's sink.
I think it's flood. It's flood.
Oh, yes.
Hmm.
What about the house?
Let's check. Yeah, right. Look, it's sink. It was so fun experiment. Yeah? High five.
Bye bye.